So this is my BMW. I bought it like 2 weeks ago. I already did so much stuff to it. Probably spent like $6,000 in mods. Or we don't wear Nike Tech. We wear Lululemon. Y'all want to see what color my BMW is now? Boom. Y'all see it. I got this joint wrapped. The M550. We got it wrapped to black. That's the biggest mod I guess you can see off the jump. And what can I say? I'm glad. I had the car for 3 months now. I know I didn't make any videos of me modding it. I did a lot of mods. I have all the videos of me doing the modification. I just yet to like sit down and edit them. But I promised myself I'm just gonna make a quick video of like just me explaining every mod that I do. And then from now on forward, if I do add any other mods, I'm gonna like, you know, make a video about it. But anyways, we got the 2020 M550 G30. I really wanted the N63 TU3 comes in the 2020, bigger turbo. It has an LCI dash on the inside. The only thing, LCI engine, but it doesn't have the LCI lights. I'm gonna put that up here to show you what it looks like. I might buy them, like the aftermarket ones, put them joint on. That might be pressure. I might do that. But overall, we did a lot of mods, especially the first month. I like knocked out everything. I did the wrap and everything. I'm gonna go through it, go through the cost of majority of the things. I don't know off the top of my head. So I'm definitely gonna like have a calculator pop up here or here with the price, add it up, tally it up so you guys could see. And then I'm probably gonna say a price and you're gonna see a different price on the screen just because I don't know the price off my head. So the price on the screen is correct. So I'm gonna be wrong. But anyways, we got the 2020 M550. Let's go straight into it. I might work from the front back and then go that way. I'm in the garage now. Hopefully this audio comes out fine. I mean, yeah, it's raining too. It's a horrible day, but I told myself I have to make this video. You know, I got my little Lululemon on. We don't wear Nike Techs. But anyways, so let's start in the front. So you already see we got the wrap, and guess what? Boom. We got the, what the hell? Hold on. Boom. We did the RGB headlights upgrade. Boom, let's see that. Red. I did that like probably like 2 weeks in. It was also one of my first mods. I had to. Again, I might go to the LCI, but I like these a lot. Did that cost me, I think the module was like 150 and it was like 3 hours of labor. I had to take the whole bumper off and everything to do that. Did that. And yeah, let's get into the front. Change this front grille because I didn't like it had like a bronze or like a silver color. I really didn't like that. Swap that. Again, the car is wrapped. You kind of see the color right here. It's like a bluish color. I need to double check and make sure you guys can see. So black grills, and then I don't know if you can see them from here, but yes, I have front mount intakes on this car. So let's go ahead and show you these front mount intakes. And then for like these red bar things, they just snapped on. They were like 20 bucks each, did that. And then the front mount intakes. And I cut out my active girls. That was a pain. The air intakes was the best mod I ever did. I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds like from the front. And then later I'm also gonna show you how my exhaust sounds like from the back. Pause. Anyways, so I did my charge pipes, ARM charge pipes. I think they're like 170. Again, I don't know the price. They were this much. Did my charge pipes. Yeah, I was having boost problems. And then the most expensive thing I did to my engine. I'm about to tell you guys that right now. Give me a second. The most expensive thing I did to my engine. Oh, I wanted to be fast, so we did fast guys things. I got catless downpipes. The downpipes were $400. The installation was $600. Then I bought the BM3 license. That was $895. After that, I realized my car needed a bench unlock. I paid for that. That was $600. I had to drive up to New York to get that done. After I did that, I did cold packs and spark plugs. That cost me $400. I did the installation myself. When I did the installation, I saw oil in one of the banks. It was a little, but to be on the safe side, I went ahead. I did a valve gasket replacement. I did engine work, and I ended up going with some more tuning and some other more mods. And that work ran me approximately $2,700. Yeah, but look at it. That joint's sitting menace. All right, let's continue on the car. So we got right here, I got the fake carbon fiber actually. Fake carbon fiber mirrors. That was, I don't know. I have to go find it on eBay. I think that was like 100 flat. If I paid more, I'll kind of be sick. The obvious front windshield tints. I did all my windows. I did front windshield, side windows, and back, and sunroof. I got like some protective film. I think overall, all my tints was $350. Did my front brake pads. I did Brembo brake pads. That was around like $90 for the front brake pads. And then did the rear brake pads. I did the rear brake pads. That was like $90. So I did that. They took my stock one off, and my stock one was silver when they did the wrap. Anyways, I put this crappy one on, and it's like fading. I need to replace that. I think that was like $19. But yeah, then we could go to the rear. Like, damn. This is what y'all gonna see all the time. It's like, nah. M550. I don't know why, but I love this rear end so much. Like, this rear end is so tough to me. I love it. So we went ahead, and the car didn't come with the LCI taillights. We put the LCI taillights, and hold on, let me show you something. They do something cool. Is when it's off, it's nice and clear, but look when they turn on. Yeah, hold on. I know y'all want to see that one more time. Wait, let me see. Yeah. And then when they're clear, let me show you the indicator. It's sequential. So yeah. Anyways, I have my license plate, but I have like a quick release bracket. This is from R Theory. Come in and see this. So I got this quick release bracket. I put my plate on. I'm not gonna show y'all my plate. Y'all might be feds. So I put my plate on. It clips in, and then it clips out. It takes me like 5 seconds to put my plate in, and it's super cool. So I got that bracket. I did that. That bracket was like $60. Right. Next, I got these. I got this carbon diffuser. Yeah. And I got carbon exhaust tips. So I got the quad exhaust tips right here. And yeah, so this is, which is nice because this is real carbon and the exhaust tips look really good. They got the M badge on them. Shit. Talking about exhaust tips. I know y'all want to hear my exhaust. So I have stock mufflers. I got one resonator delete and downpipes, catless downpipes. The dogs be barking. It's not gonna be a cold start. I'll go ahead and start it up for you guys. Leave the mic back here, and then you can listen to it and tell me how it sounds. anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much on the outside of the car. There's a lot of more mods coming on the outside of the car that I gotta do. The wrap is just the beginning of it. I mean, I didn't even have this car for 6 months yet. We got the wraps, we got the tints, we got the headlights. The car looks like a menace, honestly. So right away, if you can see, I'm not sure if you can, but I did the Beamer code. I got pink on the top, blue on the bottom. So I got magnetic paddle shifters. Up. I also Beamer coded this dash to say 200 on it. For Beamer code, you probably just need an OBD reader. So like one of these or the Bluetooth. I have both. I use this when I'm like tuning and mapping. It's just faster, I feel like. I have Beamer code, and then I also have Beamer link. Those are like two things you need when you got a Beamer. I think they're vital. I got the R7 radar detector, and then I got the F17 Red Tiger dash cam. Yeah, this is the F17 Red Tiger dash cam. And then the last thing is I did the crystal knob. So yeah, and then it also works with the setting of dimming it and brightening it in your car. And then yeah, that's it. That's it for the mods inside and out. But anyways, you guys, so yeah, that's the car. A lot more stuff is coming. I'm talking about wheels. I'm talking about big turbo. I'm talking about wheels. I'm talking about wheels. I already got the wheels, so I just need to put them on. I hope you guys like them. With that being said, like, comment. You don't even have to like. You don't have to comment. You don't have to subscribe. Just watch till the end. That's chill with me, honestly. I fuck with that heavy. This is definitely about to be a new fun hobby of mine. So, yeah. So.